In this video, we will learn about arithmetic operators and comparison operators in Python. So let's start. So now to do that, I will be using two variables here. First variable is a, and I have a equal to 10, and I have, let's say, b equal to 5, right? Now I'm going to perform some arithmetic operations using arithmetic operators. Now for that, I'll just give a comment here, right? Comment is, just to explain what this particular code is doing. So hash is used for defining a comment in Python. So arithmetic operators. Now let us, perform some, arithmetic, operations. So now first I will perform, addition operator. Okay. So now to do addition, we use plus, right? So if I write a plus b now, then this two values will be added, 10 plus 5, right? So now let's run and check now how is the output now. So to run, you can click on this run Python file, and you can see that addition is 15. So now that means it's giving 15, right? Yes. So now next we are going to perform another operation, that is subtraction. Okay, so we are going to perform subtraction. So I'll write subtraction, then give comma, and to perform subtraction, we always, use this minus, or minus is actually a subtraction, right? Minus, we use it for subtraction. So when I do a minus b, it should be like, 10 minus 5. Okay. Now let's run this and check as well. Okay. Now I'm running this now. Yes, do you see it says subtraction 5? Yes. So similarly, we'll do other arithmetic operations. Now I'll now use this multiplication, right? Now let's do multiplication. Now when I do multiplication, I will be using, I'll be using this a is my variable, and what is the symbol? What is the symbol? Okay, so this star is actually used for multiplication. So I'm writing a star b. I'll give a little space here so that it looks better. Now let us just run this as well. Now when I run this, it says multiplication is 50. That means 10 is multiplied by 5. So 10 into 5 is actually 50. So it's correct. So now let's do another, arithmetic operation. So now I'll write here print, and I'll write here, let's say I'm going to now do division. Division operations I'll do now using this division operator. So now for division, we use this forward slash, okay, and you write a, okay, forward slash b. So it will just divide 10 by 5, and you will see the, output of this. So let us just run. So you see division 2.0, right? So whenever you do this, division, it always gives you in a float. Okay, means you will have a decimal here. So 10 divided by 5 is basically 5, right? So so 10 divided 5 is 2. So you will get 2.0, because in division you will get a decimal. Now there is another important, there's another important operator. So that operator's name is modulus, and it's really useful. So you need to know about it. So, so I'll just write modulus. So modulus is basically, done using this percentage symbol. So you have to just use this percentage symbol. So a modulus 5. So when I do a modulus 5, I will be getting a remainder. So now 10 modulus 5, I'll just run and check. Yes, I'll just run and check. Yes, so I'm getting now, what is this modulus? Modulus is 0, right? So now I'll tell you now what is this 0, because when you take a modulus like 10 modulus 5, the remainder is actually 0, because 5 into 2, 10. So the remainder is 0, right? So that is how it displays. Now let us move on to the next operator, which is a very important operator. So you have to watch this complete video to understand this arithmetic operators and comparison operators. So we have next is comparison operator. So again, I'm using a comment here, right? So do not get confused. This comment is just to explain what that particular line is doing. And in Python, we use hash, symbol for the comparison, sorry, for the comment, right? So next I'm going to perform some comparison operators. Now let's now let us do a comparison. Now let me show you now. And another thing is when you do any when you use any comparison operators, okay, you will always get the output as either true or false. Okay, now we have a and b, right? So now I want to compare a and b. Now I'm just writing here like this. I want to see, now I want to compare, like, is a greater than b, right? Now I'm just going to check now if a is greater than b, right? Because a is 10 and b is 5. So now basically I want to check if 10 is greater than 5, right? So now when you do this, when you do comparison, remember you always get a boolean value, either true or false. Okay, so now I will use this greater than symbol, right? So greater than is actually for comparison, right? So now now let's run and check now what do we get. Okay, so now I'll just run this. Yes, do you see now? It's very clear. The output is very clear. It says, is A greater than B? True. Yes, because 10 is greater than 5, so it returns true. Okay, so it's very simple, and you have to just do the next. So next I will now check is A less than is A less than B? I'm going to check this now. Yes, is A less than B? So now it's very simple. When I say A less than B, I'm just trying to check if A value is less than B's value, right? But A is 10, right? And B is 5. So definitely it is not true, right? So now it should actually give you false value, right? It should give you false value. So let's check now. I'm just going to run it now. So I'm running this. Yes, so is A less than B? It gives you false. Why? Because 10 is not less than 5, right? A is not less than 5. So that's why I got now false value. Now the last one, which is very important, please complete this total thing. Now next I will write here, is A equal to B. Now I am going to check now if A is equal to B, right? But that A is 10 and B is 5, so it will never be equal, because A is 10 and B is 5, so it's not equal. So A is not equal to B. Now what is the operator? What is the operator that we use for the equality check? We use double equal to. Okay, double equal to B, right? Now I'll just give a space here for a better readability. So now what it would return actually when I say A equal to B, A double equal to B. 10 is not equal to B. 10 is not equal to 5, right? It's going to be false, right? So now let's see what it returns. Yes, so is A equal to B? False. So it gives a false value. So it's correct actually now. So now this is how arithmetic operators and comparison operators work. Please subscribe to my channel to learn Python from scratch, and in my next video I'll explain logical operators and assignment operators in Python. Thank you.